Understanding, aim to excel, mastering the phrase for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, aim to excel. This phrase is not just about language. It's about motivation and goals. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and how you can apply it in your daily English conversations. Aim to excel consists of two key words, aim and excel. Aim refers to having a goal or a target, while excel means to be exceptionally good at something or to surpass others. When combined, the phrase encourages striving towards outstanding achievement or being the best in a specific field. Now, let's see how aim to excel fits into everyday conversations. This phrase is often used in motivational contexts. For example, she always aims to excel in her studies, seeking to top her class. In this company, we aim to excel in customer service. These examples show the phrase in action, highlighting its role in expressing ambition and high standards. Understanding synonyms and variations can enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few: strive for excellence, seek to outperform, aspire to be the best. These alternatives convey similar meanings and can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Aim to excel is more than a phrase, it's a mindset. It's about setting high goals and working hard to achieve them. We hope this video has not only enhanced your English skills but also inspired you to aim high in your endeavors. Keep practicing, and remember, aiming to excel is the first step to success.